Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video we will be looking at the Ford F-150 Lightning Custom from the Hot Wheels, the Hot Trucks lineup, number 9 out of 10. And this is a heavily modified F50 Custom. Like heavily modified, it is pretty heavy and pretty big comparing it to other Hot Wheels that we had on the channel. This massive spoiler at massive bar, I think it's called spoiler, in the front, the Ford front. Yeah, I'm kind of speechless. F-150 Lightning, it looks really cool and really thoroughly detailed, with the back saying again F-150 with these two big massive rear bumpers. This is a pretty cool detail, so this is clear plastic over it. The interior looks really nice. We have, yeah, I'm kind of speechless. It looks really cool. The paintwork is amazing. This deep metallic blue with the Ford logo again, the F-150. The wheels look stunning. Yeah, really cool cool detail. And this is a light bar. Yeah, really cool. Really love it. But as always, I would really love to know your opinion on it. Leave a comment down below and let's discuss. That being said, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.